This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Leah Berry. This two-story condo in the Lopatcong TWP community, Warren Heights, offers 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. High ceilings and an open floor plan allow you to take it all in as soon as you walk in the door. Open kitchen west/laundry. Working from home is convenient at and enjoyable west/the first floor sunroom/office west/sliding doors to enjoy the fresh air. Large open kitchen features lovely arched doorways leading to the dining room. Upstairs you'll find a guest bath, bedroom west/large closet, and a beautiful master bedroom, with ensuite bathroom, 2 walk-in closets and its own sitting area or workout space. If you want to stay close to home, you can enjoy the community gyms, clubhouse and pool, dog park, playground, and a lovely active community garden. Additional storage room on the first floor of the building. Convenient location for commuters, close to Route 78/57/611. Less than 5 miles to the Delaware River waterfront and all it has to offer. Schedule your showing today. For more information,